Hello, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Biochemistry MCQs Part 1. Question number 1. Fluoride inhibits which enzyme? A. Pyruvate kinase, B. Succinyl dehydrogenase, C. Enolase, D. Aldolase. The answer is C. Enolase. Question number 2. Cancer cells derive nutrition from A. Glycolysis, B. Oxidative phosphorylation, C. Increase in mitochondria, D. From fast food joint. Answer is A. Glycolysis. Cancer cells are multiplying at a rapid rate for which they need energy, but they lack an extensive capillary network to supply the cell with oxygen, so the tumor cells have to depend on anaerobic process. That's the glycolysis for ATP production. Question number 3. Maximum source of linoleic acid is A. Coconut oil, B. Sunflower oil, C. Palm oil, D. Vanaspati oil. The answer is B. Sunflower oil. Question number 4. Apoprotein A is found in A. Chylomicrons, B. VLDL, C. HDL, D. LDL. The answer is C. HDL. Question number 5. Which of these fatty acid is found exclusively in breast milk? A. Linolate, B. Linolenic, C. Palmitic, D. Docosahexaenoic acid. The answer is D. Docosahexaenoic acid. Milk is the constant and continuous source of docosahexaenoic acid. Question number 6. Gout is a disorder of A. Purine metabolism, B. Pyrimidine metabolism, C. Oxalate metabolism, D. Protein metabolism. The answer is purine metabolism. Question number 7. Which is common metabolic process in human as well as bacteria? A. Purine synthesis, B. Nitrogen fixation, C. mucolipid formation, D. Non-oxidative phosphorylation. Answer is A. Purine synthesis. All forms of life except protozoa synthesize purine and pyrimidine nucleotides. Question number 8. Mitochondrial DNA is A. Closed circular, B. nicked circular, C. Linear, D. Open circular. The answer is A. Closed circular. Mitochondrial DNA is a closed circular double-stranded molecule that is transmitted by maternal inheritance. Question number 9. Karyotyping under light microscopy is A. L bending, B. G bending, C. C bending, D. FUTR bending, or fluorodeoxyuridine bending. The answer is B. G bending. G bending is a technique used in cytogenetics to produce visible karyotype by staining condensed chromosome in cells blocked in mitosis. Question number 10. Rapid method of chromosome identification in intersex is A. Fluorescence in situ hybridization, B. PCR, C. Single-stranded conformation polymorphism, D. Karyotyping. The answer is A. Fluorescence in situ hybridization.